Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how I got this ninja pon using braiding hair. So using this hair, so I got it 2 packs, but I only used 1 pack to achieve this. So I saw this hair on Adana's channel. I'm like, yeah, this is good. I've never done my natural hair on camera ever before, but I'm like, I need to gather courage to do this hair. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieve it, it's so cool. So if you want to know how I achieve this, definitely keep on watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that notification bell. In that way you get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never ending. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane. We will live the lives, we will live the lives, live the lives, we will live the lives in the fast lane.
As you guys can see here, I'm just securing the hair I created to make sure that they are properly secured. And the next thing I went ahead to do is to use edge control to make sure that the hair is properly laid down. And here I'm using my hair tie to tie around the hair, and doing this will make my hair and the gel to be in place and not to unravel while working with the bun. And here is the hair I'm using, and I'm using the two of them like they are two in one.
Silent nights recalling you, a souvenir of what it could be. Pieces of my mind are yours. I forgot the parts I'm missing. I pretend that we are okay, like nothing's ever broken. And I pretend that we are dancing, like the nights are never
So guys, I'm just using straightener to straighten my hair, and with a very low heat. I don't want to increase the temperature as this is synthetic hair. You don't want to burn the hair while you're doing this part. So after this, I'm just trimming the excess, and yeah, that's it. So after doing my makeup, I'm just going to give it finishing touches. Here I'm just trying to blend my makeup because of the hair tie. So here I'm just using the same edge control to lay my hair down, just to make sure that they are properly laid. And I'm using the brush to get all my edges, my hair, just to brush everything up. Yeah. So what do you guys think? I actually think I did a great job. So this is the first time I'm actually doing my natural hair on camera, as I've told you. If you want more of this video, if you want more of natural hair kind, if you want more natural hair tutorials, videos, on natural hair, just let me know. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Comments, leave me some comment, let me know if you want. Yeah. Please share my video to your friends and families, to anyone you think this hair will be, of help, like, very beneficial to. Just share the video to the person. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to leave your thumbs up and share the video. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. So yeah, before then, I thought I should show you guys another style I made. Just the same hairstyle. I just pulled the hair one side. You can actually rock this hair with different look. Yeah, I think it isn't bad at all. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me permite. Kinda love you, jiri bamo kiri kiri.